Assalamualaikum to Madam and all my friends. My name is Novanas Laga Binti Rosali with my student ID is 2021117137. We'll talk about the ABC. First, what is ABC? For your information, ABC is short form of activity-based costing in accounting. ABC is a costing method that is designed to provide manager with cost information for strategic and other decisions that potentially affect capacity and therefore fixed as well as variable costs. The ABC results show that activities are absorbed by subproducts. It is ordinarily used as supplement to rather than as a supplement for the company's usually costing system. With the ABC costing method, expenses are related to activity rather than to product and service. This will make it a lot of easier to match the expenses to the activities they produce others. Second, in an activities-based cost system ABC, companies typically combine their activities into the following five classifications, which is the first one is unique labor activities are performed each time a unit is produced. For example, providing power to run processing equipment would be a unique labor activity. Second, batch labor activity are performed each time a batch is handled or processed. Regardless of how many units are in the batch, for example, setting up equipment and shipping customer order are batch level activities. Third, product level activities relate to specific product and must be carried out regardless of how many batch are run or unit are produced or sold. For example, designing or investigating a product would be a product level activities. Fourth, customer level activities relate to specific customers and are not tied to any specific product. For example, sales calls and catalog mailing would be customer level activity. Last but not least, the organization sustaining activities are carried out regardless of which customers are served, which products are produced, how many batches are run, or how many units are made. For example, heating a factory and cleaning executive officer are organizing sustaining activities. Next, the characteristic of ABC method. Firstly, there should be a strong top management support. Without a leader from top management, some managers may not be motivated to embrace the need to change. Second, top manager should ensure that ABC data are linked to how people are evaluated and rewarded. If employees continue to be evaluated and rewarded into traditional or non-ABC cost data, they will quickly get the message that ABC is not important and they will abandon it. Third, a cross-functional team should be created to design and implement the ABC system. Cross-functional employees possess intimate knowledge of operation that is necessary for designing an effective ABC system. Tapping the knowledge of cross-functional manager lessen their resistance to ABC because they will include in the implementation process.
Makcik Timah stall sell chicken rice and coconut shake as the stall main menu. The stall only operates on weekends. Every month, the stall will sell 3,000 units of chicken rice and 1,000 units of coconut shake. Now we go to the direct material for chicken rice and coconut shake. The direct material for chicken rice is Rm3000. And for coconut shake, the direct material is Rm800. For the direct lumber is 20 per hour for chef, 7 hours per day for direct labor hour, and rent Rm 200 per month for direct expenses. Now we go to the manufacturing overhead. The cost is Rm 3000 and machine hour is 300 for each overhead. Machine maintenance cost is Rm 2000 on machine hour chicken rice. Electricity cost is Rm 1000, Rm 600 for chicken rice, and Rm 400 for coconut shake. Now we go to the total overhead for chicken rice. Total overhead for chicken rice is Rm 4, and total overhead for coconut shake is Rm 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil bin Muhammad Adam Malik. My matrix number is 2021125283. So I'm going to show you how to get selling price per unit for chicken rice. As you can see, I already shown the flow how to get the selling price per unit for chicken rice. So the first step is we have to find the prime cost, which is the formula direct materials plus direct labor plus direct expenses. You can see the example below. The second step is production cost, which is the formula prime cost plus manufacturing overhead. You can see also the example below. So the third step is total cost, which is the formula productive cost plus non-manufacturing overhead. You can see the example below. And the last step is the selling price, which is the formula total cost plus profit. So now, how do we get the selling price per unit for coconut shake? The formula is the same as like selling price per unit for chicken rice. So you can see I already provided the example on how to find the selling price per unit for coconut shake.
In the conclusion, ABC method very useful in accounting because it has a lot of benefit, like pricing and decision making are improved as product costs are calculated more accurately, resulting in improved pricing and decision making in general. Second, ABC method provide better incentive to link activities with cost behavior, and also the management will have a better understanding toward costs that are not driven by volume only. Last but not least, the budgets are better prepared as the management has a clearer view of various activity in details, while the activity that do not add value are identified, which assist in cost control. Thank you.